Introducing the EVMK2H, the cost-efficient development tool from Texas Instruments that enables developers to quickly get started working on designs for the 66AK2H06, 66AK2H12, and 66AK2H14 multi-core DSP plus ARM devices based on the KeyStone architecture. The EVMK2H includes a single 66AK2H14 multi-core DSP plus ARM processor with robust memory and connectivity options that allow customers to use this double-wide AMC-compatible card as a standalone board or in a micro TCA development environment. Additional EVM features include 2 GB DDR3 on board plus 2 GB ECC DDR3 1333 SO DIMM with support for up to 8 GB, 512 MB NAND flash plus 128 MB NOR flash, 1 MB I2C EEPROM for local boot, dual 10-100-1000 Ethernet ports, USB 3.0 port, status LCD display, expansion connector for I2C, SPI, GPIO, and EMIF, user programmable LEDs, reset buttons, and dip switches. The EVMK2H comes equipped with the XTS200 emulator daughter card. Use the supplied USB cable to connect the emulator directly to a PC. A 60-pin JTAG emulation header is also provided for use with any existing high-performance emulator. The EVMK2H comes equipped with an 8-layer rear transition module to accommodate an optional breakout card from Mistral. The breakout card provides a high-speed digital data interface to the RTM connector for validating 10 gig E and hyperlink applications. The 4 gigabit Ethernet ports have PHY to support the SGMII lanes on future EVMs through the RTM connector. The software that accompanies the EVMK2H includes Code Composer Studio and the Multicore Software Development Kit, also known as MCSDK. The MCSDK provides highly optimized bundles of foundational platform-specific drivers to enable development on selected TI, ARM, and DSP devices. The foundational components of the MCSDK for DSP include SysBIOS real-time embedded operating system, chip support libraries, low-level drivers, and basic platform utilities, software framework including interprocessor communication and debug and instrumentation, multi-core runtime software including OpenMP and OpenEM, basic networking stacks and protocols, optimized application-specific and application non-specific algorithm libraries. The foundational components of the MCSDK for ARM include Linux high-level operating system, kernel space including device drivers, basic network protocols, power and memory management, file system utilities, and a scheduler, user space including multi-core runtime software, debug and instrumentation, interprocessor communication, and optimized application-specific and application non-specific algorithm libraries. Demonstration applications are also provided to showcase key features of the device. Together, these elements allow developers to evaluate hardware and software capabilities of the evaluation platform and streamline the process of developing applications. Included in the package with the EVMK2H are instructions on where to download board-specific software and a complete hardware design kit. The Quick Setup Guide contains simple instructions for getting started. For more detailed instructions, refer to the MCSDK User's Guide on the Texas Instruments Processors Wiki. The EVMK2H is designed for quick and easy setup out of the box. Simply connect the USB cable to the onboard JTAG emulator, connect the Ethernet cable, and insert the power cable. Connect EVM Ethernet port 0 to a corporate or local network running DHCP. When the Linux kernel boots up and startup scripts have executed, the EVM obtains an IP address from the DHCP server and prints the IP address to the onboard LCD. Type the IP address into an internet browser on a computer that is connected to the same network as the EVM. The Matrix Application Launcher supports a number of demonstrations and device features, including ARM benchmarking, latency, and bandwidth tests, a statistical continuous profiler for determining how processing resources are being used by your application, Cryptos tools for security features testing and implementation, utilities for gathering statistics and updating images on Flash and EEPROM, USB benchmarking, system settings for network and memory, including tools for shutdown, demonstrations for inter-processor communication and image processing. Ordering information for the EVMK2H is available through the eStore at ti.com. Enter the part number in the search window to locate the ordering page. For more information on the EVMK2H, go to ti.com and enter the part number in the search window to access the product folder for the device.